What up, Pop Topic? Today we'll be doing two pop unveilings, and it's going to be Portals 2, Atlas, and Peabody. So, let's get into it. First, we're going to open up Peabody. I don't rip open the box, I don't want to. Okay, here's Peabody. He's pretty cool actually. They could have did a lot more with the designs and how he can move, but I think it turned out pretty great. It says Percher Laborats or something like that. But I really like the metallic on it. I think they did really great on that. The paint is kind of messed up on the back where the legs are. And it does come with a stand, but I can't get the stand out, but it should stand like that. It's pretty cool. I really love it. I got both of these at Walmart for $8, I believe. They also have Turret and Shell up there for $8, I guess. So I'm gonna open up Atlas now. Oh, I didn't notice that. It says on the side of it, it says, "The cake is a lie, the cake is a lie, the cake is a lie," over and over again. And that's what it says right here. I guess that's how it came out with the box, I guess. I didn't notice that. I'm gonna open Atlas now, if it will come out. Okay, here's Atlas. Here's a stand. It's pretty bigger than the usual ones. I guess his legs are wider. He stands up like that. It's pretty cool. Same with the metallic paint, I like it, but like how they did the arms and all that, they could have did better. More paint job. Because the gray kind of mixes in with the black. I don't know why. I guess that's where it's supposed to go. But I like how the portal gun is pretty cool too. It would be cool if they had like a glow in dark paint for it and it glows at night. That'd be cool for that, like the lights on the body. Funko, if you're listening, it would be a good idea to do that. Or do like a chase of them, like as they're all black or something like that. It'd be pretty cool. Yeah, and all that. I like how it all is. It's pretty neat. I like it. Like it a lot. So I'm gonna leave off the video like this. Sorry I couldn't get any videos up this week. My computer was acting up, and I'll try to do more videos. Like I said, I have a few newer ones. Yeah, I do. And I'm gonna try to get more pops, I guess, and try to do a one game video like I said before. Hopefully I can. And happy Easter. Everybody stay safe and have a good Easter. Yeah, and have fun. Pop Topic out.